Vanessa here. Let's make donuts with Tola Jr. All the dry ingredients are in the kit. Add them to a big bowl. Give them a good stir. Now add egg, milk, and oil. Give it a good mix. It should look like this. Add batter to piping bag. This will make it easier to fill your donut mold. These turned out perfect. Let's make the icing. Decorating donuts are so much fun. Add plenty of frosting. Make fun shapes with fondant. Add your shape to the donut. Sprinkles are so fun and delicious. Make sure to add plenty. These look so good. Let's take a bite. Delicious.